Thanks for clicking on my channel, Joy's Way. I'm Joy. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning supporter of mine, welcome back, awesome person. So today, I am going to show you what I got in my January 2022 Boxycharm Base Box. These are now like $27.99 a month. And you get 5 products. They also have a premium that I don't know how much that is. I'll have all of that in the description. And then every 3 months and or quarterly, you can upgrade your Boxy Base for the Boxy Lux. Now my Boxy Base was only $25 because I bought a year subscription back in March. So March of 2022 will be my last box. So I've already opened this, and this is the card this month, and my variation is 56 to 56, and this is called Refresh. So we'll just start from the beginning. My brain farts, I tell you. Oh, my choice item was this Wonder Beauty palette by Wonderless Escape, and I don't have any palettes by Wonder Beauty, so I had to have it. It's not like the colors that I would want to pick for myself, but they're pretty. I just think they're like, I don't know, we'll see. That is a very beautiful palette, and it says that it retails for $42, and you do get a plastic thingy. And here are all of the beautiful colors, and that blue one, that is definitely calling my name. So a very, very neutrals palette, but I'm going to try it out just to see, because I've heard so much about their shadows. So I am super excited that I've gotten this, and this, like, you know, already pays for the box. And then the next thing is the this thing right here. And it is for eyelids and dark circle corrector, and it says it is $59, and I hope that this doesn't stink, because the last I just had them too. Isn't that crazy? I don't know why I put them down. I don't often. I should clean my area. I'd probably still lose shit. Alright, a second. I'll use this thing right here. Because the last thing that they got of this brand that I can't pronounce stunk to high heaven. Oh, this is cool. I don't know, I am a little afraid to open it. Ooh, it is a very, very cool applicator. Nice, nice. Oh, you can just pull it, you ain't gotta twist it off. I don't know if that is worth, you know, $59, but this too covers the price of the box. The next thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and Pomade. And it is with a brush 7B, and this is a cool brush. It has the brush part there, and then the, you know, I don't know what it's called there. And they are saying that this is $39, and it's called a medium brown is the shade, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to be my color. I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, because although this is gorgeous packaging, it's like a It's like a cream, and I usually use powders or sticks for my eyebrows, but I'm going to test it because I need content for my channel. And the next thing that we have here is the Contact Skin matte lipstick, and that is what that looks like. And this is $20, which, you know, is normal price. I feel 18 to 20 bucks for a lipstick. Oops. Is the price, and that is what that looks like. And then this is just a neutral color. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to put it in a future giveaway. And the last thing that I got is this Body Graph Makeup Brush Cleaner. And they say that this is $19. I don't know. I myself would never have bought this. So out of everything, I don't like this or this. Everything else is pretty good, I guess. Let me see if I can figure it out. Alright, so grab my calculator right quick. Let's see how much this box claims to be worth. $179, which isn't bad, even if you're paying the $27.99 now. At the moment, I don't know if I'm going to stick with Boxycharm or not. They're going to have to wow me the next 2 months. This was an okay box, but I wasn't wowed. Even though I've never tried this, this was not a wowing palette. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox my January 2022 Boxycharm Base Box. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Remember that I love you. And peace out, awesome crew.